So you're thinking about buying a home in Denham Springs and you want to make sure that you do not have to pay flood insurance. Well, I'm about to tell you 10 subdivisions in Denham Springs that are in flood zone X where you do not have to worry about paying flood insurance. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Brandon Browning here, your local real estate expert. So flood zones and insurance is always a hot topic to home buyers. So in this video, I'm going to give you 10 subdivisions that are in flood zone X where you don't have to worry about paying that flood insurance. And if you do decide to opt into the flood insurance, it's extremely manageable and cheap. Whenever you buy a home in flood zone X and you decide to buy flood insurance, it's usually around $450 a year. So it's only about $37.50 a month added to your mortgage payment. So before I get into this, I do a lot of videos about our local area that are very informative. Topics like where are the top high schools in Livingston Parish, Ascension Parish, and East Baton Rouge Parish, what are the costs of living in these areas, where can you get the best deals in new construction, and I'm even sharing some secrets that nobody else is telling you. So if you don't want to miss out on any future content that I release, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and click that little bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Okay, so when it comes to flood insurance, we're looking at 3 flood zone areas, which is flood zone A, AE, and X. Flood zone A and AE, you have to pay flood insurance. Flood zone X, you do not have to pay flood insurance. And just because a home is in flood zone A or AE, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to pay flood insurance if you buy that home. For example, all of your new construction homes that are being built up high enough where you don't have to pay flood insurance on that property. So when you're looking at new construction and even some that are a few years old that are in these paying flood zones, you definitely want to reach out to your realtor and find out if flood insurance is going to be required on that home. But like I said, for the sake of this video, I'm only going to talk about the subdivisions that are actually in flood zone X. So here we go. Number 1 is going to be the Willows subdivision. Now this subdivision is located off Cockrum Road near Hatchell, and it's right across from the Freshwater Elementary School. Now the average sales price in that subdivision is going to be right at $110 a square foot and around $214,550. Number 2 is going to be Meadowwood Park. Now Meadowwood Park neighbors the Willows, so it's also right there on Cockrum Road, but it's a little bit cheaper of a subdivision. The average sale price per square foot in that subdivision is going to be $115.94, and the average sales price in there is going to be around $175,000. The third subdivision that we're going to talk about is Sommerfeld subdivision. Sommerfeld is going to be located off of Dunn Road, and the average price per square foot in there is going to be $110.58 a square foot, and the average sale price is going to be right at $200,000. Number 4 is going to be Pecan Creek. Now Pecan Creek is going to be off of Dunn Road also, right next to Sommerfeld. And as you can see here, the back part of Pecan Creek is not in flood zone X, but the majority is. The average price per square foot in that subdivision is going to be around $131 a square foot, and the average sale price is going to be around $279,000. The 5th subdivision that we're going to talk about is Carter Hills, which is going to be off of Jubin Road, about a mile south of I-12, so it's right there near Jubin Crossing. The average price per square foot in that subdivision is $128.78 a square foot, and the average sale price is $226,000. The 6th subdivision that we're going to talk about is Forest Ridge subdivision. This one's located off of John L. Lane, which is off of Buddy Ellis Road, and Buddy Ellis Road takes you to Jubin Road right there by the interstate. Now the average price per square foot in this subdivision is going to be $94.10 a square foot, and the average sale price is around $230,000. The 7th subdivision that we're going to talk about is Livingston Trace, and this one is also located off of John L. Lane off of Buddy Ellis Road. The average price per square foot in here is $104.81, and the average sale price is around $188,000. Number 8 is going to be South Haven subdivision. This one's going to be located off of Walker South Road or LA Highway 447 south of the interstate. The average price per square foot in here is around $108, and the average sale price is around $246,000. Number 9 is going to be Arbor Walk subdivision. Now this one also is located off of 447 South or Walker South Road, and it's going to be near South Haven. The average price per square foot in here is $109, and the average sale price is around $191,000. Number 10 is going to be Rolling Meadows subdivision. This one is located off of Brown Road and is right next to Jubin Park Junior High School. The average price per square foot for this one is around $112, and the average sale price is around $178,000. So there are 10 subdivisions in the 70726 zip code that are located in flood zone X, and you do not have to worry about paying flood insurance. So obviously there are more of these. If you have any questions about these particular subdivisions, or you're looking for some others that are in flood zone X, just give me a call and I can give you some more options if you are looking. So please don't forget to subscribe to to this YouTube channel and click that little bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And also leave me a comment down below, let me know that you did so. And of course, if you're looking to buy or sell anywhere in the greater Baton Rouge area, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can contact me on my cell phone at 225-445-0629. My email is bbrowning225@gmail, or you can simply direct message me on whatever social media platform that you're watching this on. Thank you so much for watching, and be blessed.